Best Sport Touring Motorcycle 2025 Yamaha FJR1300. For riders who demand a perfect blend of performance, comfort, and touring capability, the 2025 Yamaha FJR1300 remains a top choice in the sport touring segment. With its legendary reliability, powerful engine, and advanced touring features, the FJR1300 continues to be the go-to motorcycle for long-distance enthusiasts who don't want to compromise on speed and agility. Powerful and smooth performance. The 2025 Yamaha FJR1300 is powered by a 1,298 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, delivering smooth and linear power across the rev range. Producing approximately 145 horsepower and 102 lb-ft of torque, this refined power plant ensures effortless highway cruising and thrilling acceleration when needed. The 6-speed transmission provides precise shifting, while Yamaha's assist and slipper clutch makes gear changes smoother, reducing rider fatigue on long journeys. Superior touring comfort. Long-distance rides demand comfort, and the FJR1300 excels in this area. The adjustable windscreen, ergonomic seating, and handlebar position adjustments allow riders to fine-tune their riding posture. Heated grips and an optional heated seat provide added comfort in colder conditions, making year-round riding more enjoyable. The shaft-driven final drive eliminates chain maintenance, a crucial advantage for touring riders who spend hours on the road. The FJR1300 also features a large 6.6-gallon fuel tank, providing an impressive range between fill-ups. Advanced technology and safety features. Yamaha has equipped the 2025 FJR1300 with a full-color TFT display, offering real-time ride data, navigation, and connectivity options. The bike also features cruise control, allowing for relaxed highway riding, while the electronically adjustable suspension, FJR1300 ES model, ensures optimal handling in varying road conditions. Safety is a priority, with Yamaha's advanced ABS, traction control, and unified braking system and #40, UBS and #41, providing confidence-inspiring control, whether in city traffic or high-speed touring. The bike's LED headlights, including cornering lights, improve nighttime visibility. Why the Yamaha FJR1300 stands out. The 2025 Yamaha FJR1300 remains a benchmark for sport touring motorcycles, combining power, comfort, and advanced technology in a well-balanced package. Whether tackling winding mountain roads or cruising on the highway, the FJR1300 delivers a smooth, powerful, and comfortable riding experience, making it a top contender for the best sport touring motorcycle of 2025.